Vefateacher.
My family in our house. Hello, my name is Lily. I live in a big house with my family. There are 10 rooms in our house. My mother cooks in the kitchen. She makes soup and salad. My father watches TV in the living room. He likes football. My sister plays with her dolls in the bedroom. My brother and my cousin play video games in the basement. It is cold there. My grandmother drinks tea in the dining room. My grandfather reads the newspaper in the hallway. He wears glasses. My aunt talks on the phone in the bathroom. She is funny. My uncle sleeps in the attic. He likes quiet places. My neighbor kids ride bikes in the garage. They are very happy. Now it's your turn. Who lives in your house? What rooms do you have?
Vefateacher.